Hey gang, welcome back to Armcandy. Hope you're okay. Today's bag is gorgeous. You can probably tell by the little swirl print on the side here. This is of course a Paul Smith bag. It's a Paul Smith double zip tote with swirl trim. And it is absolutely beautiful and it has never been used and is in absolutely excellent condition. It's this beautiful, deep, rich blue and it feels amazing. It's cow leather and it just has such a beautiful finish and feel to it. It really is gorgeous. So we've got double top handles. It also comes with a long strap, which was still all packaged up. I've undone some of it so that you can see that it is an adjustable strap. Okay. We'll show you the Paul Smith on the front. And of course the swirl trim. I tell you what I love about having the trim and the colour of this bag. There is something very kind of British eccentric about this. You have this beautiful blue, quite sort of grown-up adult style of bag, and then you have this little piece of eccentric trim. I just think that is just that quintessential quirky British style of fur that we love Paul Smith for. Okay, so it's called a double zip tote. So two of the sections are zip top and then there's a third central section. We'll do the third middle section first. It's got a little magnetic tab that opens there. Open it up because it's pale lining inside. The swirl leather flat pocket with Paul Smith. These are the D-rings that you would, whereas attach the longer strap to. Again, it's still in their wrap. And then the zip parts, you won't be able to see because they've still got the wrap on them. They say Paul Smith on them, they're beautiful. But inside, these sections go right to the base of the bag. Again, wrap still on it. And again, right to the bottom of the bag. So let's check what it comes with. I've shown you the long strap. It comes with the Paul Smith dust bag. We've got a product tag and also the anti-mould thingy. A care card and my favourite, the little itty-ditty Paul Smith envelope with another care document that goes inside that as well. And as I said, the condition is excellent throughout. The exterior is excellent, the interior is excellent, the hardware is excellent. I didn't show you the base before, you've got 2 feet on the base. So excellent condition throughout. A really beautiful bag. I just love it and it feels so lovely. Such a gorgeous, gorgeous feel to it. So there's a link to this on the website, but before you go, remember to subscribe to this channel, hit the bell. You don't want to miss out on tomorrow's bag, let me tell you. And then when you've done that, there's a link to this on the website. If you go to my comments below the video, it will take you straight to this page on the website. There's also all of our other pre-owned luxury bags, purses, wallets are all on there, so you can go and have a look at those. If you haven't yet signed up to the newsletter, for goodness sake, sign up to the newsletter. You get 5% off your first purchase. It will take you seconds to do. You just go to the website, scroll to the bottom of any page, pop your email address in the little box, and then we'll send you your discount code. Your code will come through immediately. If you haven't got it within a couple of minutes, check your spam folder. Sometimes they end up in there. But even if this isn't going to be your first bag, go and get your discount code ready. We only have one of each bag that comes in, and if you are spending a few minutes, because tomorrow's bag is the bag you want to use it on, if you spend a few minutes tomorrow getting your discount code, someone else will just get in there and get it before you get a chance. So get your discount code now. If you're interested, I'll put a link to our Instagram in the comments below. We have a little bit more behind the scenes on Instagram, so you can have a look at that. But have a lovely rest of your day and we'll see you tomorrow, either me or Izzy tomorrow, with tomorrow's gorgeous bag.